Good morning. Attention everyone because Apple's opens a store in India. Apple CEO Tim Cook opening the company's first retail store in India, which is located in the financial center of Mumbai. It took years of planning and it was necessary to meet regulatory demands. For example, India said that Apple had to use local source for production. Apples want to increase sales ground in India, which has a population of 1.4 billion people. The company wants to focus on other countries, not only China. In the years ending March, Apple sales in India hit almost $6 billion. Global demand for technologies is slowing down, and Apple sees India growing middle class as a great opportunity. Therefore, it wants to increase production in the country. I am Carolina Manotas here on Live News Colombia. Bye.